Hello guys, welcome back again to another video. In today's menu, we're gonna start a jollof rice series, and today is just gonna concentrate on the stew. It's gonna be a beef stew. Now, this is for a beginner, somebody who does not know how to cook. So please bear with us, and we want to just be minimal with the ingredients. So we're just gonna go through the ingredients we have here and start. All right, so we have our beef. It's gonna be a beef stew that we are making today for the jollof, right? So we have our beef here washed and cut. We have some black pepper and bay leaf, some rosemary, spring onion, red onion, white onion, some habanero, and then slices of garlic. We also have garlic powder, Himalayan pink salt, coconut oil, cayenne pepper to give it some kick. Also, we going for the allspice. We're trying to be minimal with the spices. It's not everybody that knows how to use the spices. So we're using this allspice for the recipe. We have tomato paste and tomato puree. So these are the ingredients we're working with today. You don't need to blend anything. We're not blending anything. This is for beginners, people who do not know how to cook jollof, and they're trying to learn. So let's begin the cooking series. Okay, so our plate is hot, and we're going to put the beef on there. We're going to add some red onions. I have two onions, one red and one yellow. We're going to use half of the red onions, and then half of the yellow onion. Now the next thing, I have slices of garlic. Like I said, this is for beginners, simple. Slices of garlic. I think I sliced about 4 pieces. So 2 pieces. We're gonna use it to steam the beef. We have a little bit of rosemary here. 2 bay leaves. Some black pepper. If you're allergic to any of these spices, do not use them, okay? All right, so salt to taste. Now I have this allspice. This represents all the other spices that we normally use, but because this is for beginners, we're using this allspice blend, and we're gonna put like a half a teaspoon. Half to 1 teaspoon in there. And then the last thing, I believe, would be some garlic powder. Okay, we're just going to be minimal with the spices. Now, once you're done with that, okay, we'll cover it up for a few minutes, like maybe 5 minutes, and then we're going to open it up and stir. All right, remember, we did not add any water. The juices from the beef is going to serve as the water, okay? So no water yet. We'll come back and check it. Okay, so we're going to check on our beef to see how it's going. All right, it's boiling. So we're gonna try and stir. Remember, we did not add any water to it. We did not add any water. So whatever water you're seeing in there is the juices from the beef. All right. All right, we're stirring, and then we're gonna cover it and cook it till it becomes tender on a low heat. All right, we'll be back to check on it again. And this will be like for the next 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so let's check our beef. It looks like it's done. Now, at this point, you can try by tasting one. So we're gonna taste one and check the softness. Make sure. It tastes so good. Look. Look. It is soft and juicy. Don't be intimidated. Nobody was born with cooking skills. We all learned how to cook. Okay? Now, with this, we did not even add any of those spices that we normally use for jollof. We went the minimal way and it still tastes very good. It smells amazing too. So what we're gonna do is to set it aside and then start the stew. Okay, so in a heated pan, we're going to start the jollof stew. I'm gonna use coconut oil. I love coconut oil. So I'm gonna put in some oil. You can use any oil you prefer. Still fine, but I love coconut oil. Okay. And then we want to fry the meat a little bit. You know, so as soon as the oil becomes hot, we'll add the beef to it. And okay, so I took all the beef from the pot and I'm just gonna start frying. Okay, so the oil, oh yeah, it's hot. We're just gonna put it in there and fry. I hope you're gonna try this and let me know in the comment section. Okay, it's not that hard. Give it a try. A few more minutes and then we'll take it out of the oil. Okay, I think our beef is done. So we will take it out of the oil. All right, take a look. We're going to use the same oil for the stew. So remember, the other half of the onions. We're going to pour it in the oil. And then the garlic pieces that's left, we're just going to add that to it too. Okay, stir. And let it brown a little bit, and then, like I said, we're making a beginner-friendly jollof stew. And we'll make the jollof rice as well when we're done. So we'll add our tomato paste first. We're not blending anything, okay? We're not blending. I got these tomatoes from Aldi. So I have added 2. Now I have some habanero here. I'm just gonna drop one in there, and then also cover it up to let it simmer. Okay, so we're gonna check on the stew. Remember the stock from the beef, we're gonna pour it into the stew. And then we're gonna add all the tomato sauce. So I put in 2 of the tomato paste, and then now I'm adding 2 of the tomato sauce. We're not blending anything, remember. Actually, I'm gonna add 1 more of the tomato sauce. cover and let it simmer. Okay, so let's check our stew. It's been simmering for about 15 minutes now. Now you want to be careful when it gets to this point. Be very careful. Now when you start seeing the oil on top of your stew, then you know it's almost done. So we're gonna let this simmer for like maybe 5 more minutes and then it should be ready. Okay, so we're gonna check on our stew again. All right, it is ready. Our stew is ready. So this is what we're gonna use for the jollof, and that would be in the next video. Watch out for it, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Have a happy new year, and be safe, okay? All right, subscribe, like, and share. Bye.